Hello, fifth and sixth grade, and welcome to week 7 in general music. I'm happy to see you. Okay, so let's get started. This video is going to be a little shorter than normal because a lot of what we did this week was a little bit of review. So the first thing, we did take attendance. So thank you for letting us know. We really appreciate it when you let us know if you can't be at the class and why. And that way we know that you're participating in these lessons online and you can make up the information there. We're still in the We Got the Beat unit, really talking about tempo and accelerando. Okay, so remember, accelerando is where it gradually gets faster and faster. So think about the beginning of our music of the month in the Hall of the Mountain King, when Peer Gynt is tiptoeing quietly out of the cave to try to escape the trolls. Okay, if you don't know that story, go back and listen to it. Last week we went over it. So he starts slow and quiet, a slow tempo, piano, and then gradually every time that pattern repeats, bum 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 bum. Bum 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 bum. Every time they repeat that pattern, it gets faster and faster. And by the end, Peer is running out of the cave to escape the trolls. Okay, so you know the story. So I'm going to encourage you to continue to practice one of the patterns posted above in the body percussion. Go ahead and practice the heads, shoulders, knees, and toes. Head and shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes, knees and toes, head and shoulders, knees and toes, and eyes and ears and mouth. Okay, practice either that one. You can watch the advanced group from Greece do it. This is all posted above you. Or you can watch, this music teacher breaks it down. He breaks it down into attainable sections. So he's chunking it down into an A, B, A, C part, which helps you learn it. I found this very, very helpful. So that was a really great find there. Your assignment this week is posted in your Google Music Classroom. So what Mr. Rogers and I would like you to do is to go on and go ahead and write your own words that match the rhythm that we've been singing and moving to this whole time, this whole month. Okay, so you should be very familiar with this rhythm now. We've also reviewed the symbols. If you remember the eighth notes, we were putting different words there. It just has to have two syllables, right? Like pumpkin or pie, okay? So you're going to see this posted in your Google Music Classroom. If you can, and there's the activity of the week. So you got to go to your Google Classroom this week to find it. It's not on the website. And let's just do a little bit of example of what you might do. So if you click, and if there's a text box, you can go ahead and type your own. I'm going to show you what to do if that doesn't happen. So if I want to do pumpkin, I've been obsessed with pies. Pumpkin, pumpkin. I got to do pumpkin there and pie. Okay, so I could change my own. I'm going to write my own words. Don't write pumpkin pie, that's mine. Okay, so then I would keep going down. And anytime there's, let's see, like, yeah, pumpkin. So pumpkin for the eighth notes, pie for the quarter note, pumpkin for the eighth notes because there's two sounds in those eighth notes, pie for the quarter notes, and you keep going. Now let's say you get down here and I go to click. Oh, I can't click there. Okay, so let's just troubleshoot that. If you're in Google Slides and you go to write something and you can't, you have to put in a text box. So go up here to insert text box, okay? And then you just drag it and just put a little box there so you can type in. So then I'm going to keep typing pumpkin, pumpkin. This is mine. You could use candy. You could go Skittles, Twix. You could do Whatever theme you like, really. This is yours. You're a famous athlete, a famous singer, a sport that you like. Okay. So let's just say this is mine. And so my theme is obviously pumpkin pie. So then it would be, and then I might check it. Pumpkin, pumpkin, pumpkin pie, pumpkin pie, pumpkin pie, pumpkin, 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 pumpkin pie. Okay, that fits. I didn't get anything wrong there. And then you turn the assignment in. Okay, so that's yours to do this week. So I encourage you, continue to practice a body percussion routine. Go to Google Classroom. Make sure that you've done all the assignments there. There's 2 for 5th and 6th grade. There's this one where you write your own words under the rhythms. And like I said, you might have to insert a text box. I'm sure you can do that. And there's the other one. If you didn't do that, go back and do that one. We would love to have some evidence, some hard evidence that you are participating in music lessons this quarter. That would be really, really helpful. So if you can go ahead and go to Google Classroom and finish those assignments. If you're all done, somebody said to me this week, Ms. DeLelio, I am done. I'm finished. I can play the body percussion perfectly. I've done all my assignments. What do I do next? You can always go on Music Play Online and find some games to play. You can go to Chrome Music and explore there. We'll probably get into that next quarter. So there's things on the website. I'm sure there's something on the website you haven't seen, heard, or listened to. Go to different grade levels. Okay, so there's a wealth of material. Nobody should be bored. Have a great week. Thank you again for checking out your Google Classroom and making sure as many assignments that you can do are done. And if you can do that this week, obviously that would be helpful. So we reviewed Accelerando, getting faster and faster. You're going to practice that by moving, and you're going to write your own words under the rhythm. All right, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, have a great week. Stay safe. We'll see you next week in music class. As always, those emails that say that you can't be there and why are very helpful as well. Okay, thank you.